What's up, YouTube? Pete here. Sorry it's been a while since I've posted. Started working on the Grand National again. So I'm replacing a motor. So old motor's out. And here's the new motor I'm working on. I'm just waiting on an oil pan before I can put it back in. But I'm so ready. All the parts I took out. Ball bearing. And I replaced the tail lights. Finally found some really nice ones. System's back in it. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Sorry about the cell phone, I just didn't feel like hooking up the GoPro. About to take the GTR out for a cruise, since it's actually really nice out today. An old dirty truck, which is now my daily. Well, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully by next week I have this sucker running again. Take it easy.